Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chamitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, tingo data zwami shasho.
Ooh wee! Welcome to the Van Rep Radio. One ziko vuya fanda. Was Dios already anana zingo ni mapungo pedzi. Nenda kadwani duka nsona ni ngona ndo mahongoni, and this is the Van Rep Radio. Yeah, man. So, guys, I've been following some news. I've tried, I keep trying to stay away from a lot of things, but there's nothing you can do. You know what I mean? So, recently, early this week, Ramzeey posted something. I complain already. Ange we hono perform ndi ambangenta isha lake or ishani lake aninge angenta kasada ngwenani pipidi aninge achikwambori osikama pati na mapungori ene hango badeliwa bamfeza wote hango badeliwa tiri rikwambora hango badeliwa kama mapungo aya ori performance kwasi badeliwe this got the very ngwe bathu ne pala vachiko diambo hey narina ringo badelo guy rina ringo badelo kai pio gigi mwana mwachi bamba zao story zinji waiko zamusi mesori na mwana vango badeliwa peti suzo siya ziko mangaza zine I'm saying I have a lot of questions ndingamramusi chipo verera na majita manji ndo dimona ko ditegiwa ne pala ngaraps wafuwi kai mwezi post ya raps wafuwi we share nayo ne pala ko divera ko diambo hey narina abo muthu ro mbadela asiverele ndo mpati bossiti asiswike ndo mpeperera asiswike ndichifona abasichafara phone no ndichifona phone yabo yotsimiwa ndichifona uchiboriwa msumbulo ndabuzofika bako baisaloliswa poison onovalelwa sibadela ngedebeni. So there was a lot of stories that were coming out bakongwana musi I don't know that, and then again Richie warning was so say kwamba no zati ya ishani ndingamramzi hoba na mapungo ya Ramzeey a change price ya bakodiori abadeliwe yone abachipotoda chere diobara ri extra more ikonyenyana anepongora ngoralo. So honestly speaking, guys, I know ati support mapungori artists ngobadeliwa and it support it the support artists badeliwa says gigini. I'm not going to start now, I'm not going to change, I'm still going to stick to my guns in that. Hey, if you are paid, please go and perform. Yeah, mutuka perform kaita zinaweza kutodea ka make sure uri honor contract ya ngor araseta ngoraro zisia ziko chinyana na bamwe banji ndiye zinena dore nchibamba na 109 niko generally waniko budza mapungo manji niko terekeliwa nepo na baone wakuziwana mse wakopfesesa mse yeah nangazina ndikadwani duka nsona ndi ngwana ndi wa mahongoni uvane palanta khala ngobera radiricha panda futhi ariko wanori hey lengwa pungo kheli Meg G ndiyamba dukana Helenoni Makeva wa mkwebo osikia rapla ka podcast yawo ne podcast and chill abachikobara imwe email na email anonymous email ne abori yo rumeli wa pononi echikwamba nga mfunani wa aka hoyo risia ne abori neli ichikwamba riko sika poni yawe kwamba singozo suzo ngazo influencer usikone ne ladibura o mapungo hayanoni auri aka ono vunda mna la fibro code ndiamba aka ono jina chitangani cha Dallas ngange bakwambora ukoita zopfana na hoy baby mama kana mia ngwana wa Dallas zinoza kusiya ngongo no tangana na ngori banga ba channelize bakomela murahu na track imwe yavaninge murahu about 5 months ago 6 months ago 4 months back and ngeni abo vi Gucci Snakes achikudema mapungo orene wori banga bakodini shakers na mini zote zozero kodulumesa na meriko dichira rote una bane bakododo techera una bakodo kwamisa una bane bakodo from deepo wabatu bashu ndingamuramu zikwambwa kalimbo nodu. So batu bari bachitanganyisa bachita A-Reece bawana the D and bachita the D bawana utongare hapa petu kada less na aka huna mapungo na pungo lidenya wone ziko buya papitu ziko buya ngwendira ine ya naricha diwa mara abade manyana abai menyana ndichi buya wone radio rock beat yo nikom panamila roni
Of course I feel like I'm dreaming.
Yeah, man, still the Van Rap Radio. So on this to vara pano ni tere na pungo ra kono Makhadzi gomba lashu. Osikani pulaka Twitter suke ba kwambori. Hey. Usubmit mara zoro kweti amini ati divi because once again Makhadzi it's not nominated. Hango nominate your Kadzi Summer Awards 2021. Zinoto bako dibudzisa mdzimu dziko buya nenge watu bako the question ori kanu kweti amini Kadzi Summer Awards kandiana la mapungo brand envelope or ni mapungo a tribalism or ni mapungo ori banga sezori Makhadzi maybe music wa one sided is only based ngangeno khala yani kana ri otangana man ara kono fesesa zori huko tangana mina hapa peti nduri na mapungo manji banga kwamba zo brand envelope banga kwamba zo bengiwa kana nduri muzika wo dumange ngeno pezi ango chaita or crosser so the weight was is the matrokisi ndiri na stories nyinza kuiteya mara ena chamba ari rinero submit chingona roita taizondi hene yori ari divi uri hukuiteya mini vone valivona hani lipungo la Makhadzi ndi amba zori Makhadzi hango nominate wa once again ndi amba ningeno Kadzi Summer Awards zifisa butungu ngori gomba oshuma ngamanda oshuma amubona ko drop the album ni pala ko drop the single all over ka track zopambana now mara hukuiteya mini Tabu both and then big shout out to Venda Boy Poet on a minute wanipala for the best traditional album ndiamba na bosho Mac Josie nabonye nipala Kadzi award ndiamba zoneta the summers. So yeah man, I'm hoping he works out with this man. This nigga gotta win man. Yeah, why we Venda Boy Poet. Man, big up to that. Shout out to you, man. Big up for the greatest work. Na kusumbeza nikoita. Ndi muzika wabu rendi. Rwanongo dianga beats zilena unkate ni make sure zori hot ni wonona ni fasise. Tearing. Ne ndiko jana midana ni zigodreni hot riko banyuluza riko firiluza. Richi jana ne pone bara ujeni we. Zinji ziko oda. Look out for the higher table. As we're going to be transforming Van Rap Radio to even bigger podcast. I the one and then in the podcast. But the one ribanji I think that Bararu. Yeah, Mr. Rasso and Uhuru. So yeah, man, we're going to transform the whole thing of the news and everything. We're trying to change. I'm bringing in more people. I'm bringing back the team. Now, for all these years, remember we have been doing this for like last about 7 years now. From 2013, the 1st of May. And then in the Musari Chitwara winner this award in yeah man, this is the award in the Kwambangayo. Those were the days we won this award in 2015 South African Hip Hop Awards. We have achieved through this radio station, but right now before I bounce never see ya nepa. So look out for more artists, music munjino Vakala Venda. Wone ne Amara here. Ndiba funa zone. Nda.